Hey everybody, David Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are painting. It's actually not new construction. The people have moved in a little while ago, and so now they are renovating the flooring. They just got done. They are still working on flooring in 2 rooms in there. So all the base shoe in every room got replaced, and then there's base shoe in there that got replaced. So that'll be the next project. So today, next 3 days project is this room. So we took the furniture out. They're replacing some of it. Someone's going back, but we took everything out. So we're gonna cover the floor with paper and then mask off the edges. And then the base shoe that you see there, all this shoe we have to caulk and fill nail holes all the way around. And then we are gonna paint Balboa mist. So that's the color on the ceiling. And then on the walls from the top of the crown all the way down is gonna be Chantilly lace. We're gonna take the shutters off, and then the window frames itself will be painted, and that'll all be Chantilly lace, and we're gonna paint satin. So we're actually using, they picked Chantilly lace, and Chantilly lace is a kind of a tricky color with different brands. The rest of the house was already done by someone else, and we got the job to do the rest of it. So they already used satin and Pervo, so we're gonna use Benjamin Moore waterborne satin and Pervo for the walls, satin finish, but we're gonna spray everything. So part of the day today, actually all the day today, is prep work. So covering the floors, filling nail holes, caulking, sanding these gaps like you see there. Those nail holes, kind of pounding those in. The phone outlets, phone jacks are coming off. And then again, we're gonna power sand these walls to kind of get some of this texture off as best we can. Some of these little indentations, they'd like some of those filled, so we're gonna do that. The walls where there's previous paint drips, we're gonna try and sand as much as we can off, and then do a little bit of skimming just to kind of make it as flat as possible. There's a lot of texture on the walls, so we can't quite go 100% and power sand everything. There's just too much, and that's just not the budget. So we're gonna sand what we can, and then we are gonna get primer on the gray. So all the gray will get primed because Chantilly lace can be translucent a little bit. So I wanna make sure from the top down, it's all gonna be the same. So we're gonna start off with primer. That way we don't have to worry about the color coming through one way or another. What did I say? Caulking, filling holes, the cable thing, we're gonna leave that, but put a blank. All the other outlet covers will come off, and they're gonna replace those. And then that's the job for today. So if you got questions on how we can help you with your home, painting from floor to ceiling, spraying, doing something fun, something different, definitely give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in. We hope you guys have a great day, and God bless.